Hi guys, and welcome back to Fiber Art by Chels. I am back from a quick hiatus over Memorial break for some family time. Although I was unable to post weekly videos due to the service up there, we did get a nice dose of nature. Since getting into macrame and tapestry weaving, I've really wanted to explore the fiber art community more. I came across the Textile Center in Minneapolis. The current exhibition is on Mining Mending, which is reusing recycled scraps and pieces to be remade to live another day or for a new purpose, which I try to implement into my work, so I wanted to check it out. Here's a quick glance at the gallery. Feeling inspired, I wanted to set out and find some branches to reuse and repurpose for my work. Explore your surroundings for natural found materials that you can incorporate into your weaving. Gather twigs, leaves, feathers, or small rocks to add texture and depth to your design. These materials are usually available at no cost and can lead to an organic and unique touch to your woven creations. Finding a few good ones, I will debug and clean them and let them dry out. But first, let's tuck these away before my husband sees that I came home with more sticks. Just kidding. He always assumes I will. Okay, hear me out. Normally, I sand it, but due to circumstances, I cannot get to my tools. And it's a gorgeous day, and I'm sitting by a fire, so I'm hacking away at this thing. She said she helped find the stick, so she wanted to give it a try too. Fair. Didn't turn out too bad. I'll sand it down once I can get to my tool. But continuing on in the stream of thought of reusing and recycling products into our crafts, I noticed at the gallery they made a loom out of cardboard. I thought it was a clever and effective alternative than buying a loom. I wanted to move along and show you my pretty recycled cotton cord, but of course, the night always leaves the room a mess, so pick it up we must. There, that's better. Which reminds me, when making new projects, check out this fun craft. To always save your scraps. I reused this container that had naan bread in it. And I put my cord and yarn and wool and save them for the next project. And when you have so much in a container, then you give yourself a little challenge to try to use up as much of the scraps as you can. Side note, I'm going to try to use a lot of this stuff for my next project at the end of this video. Now to go over the fun things that I purchased at the gallery. There's a cute little shop to the side where small businesses and crafters set up materials and things to buy. My daughter picked out a few handmade items she liked. I grabbed a little craft kit for us to do together and then found this wool and this cute little loom. I did have some wool that was blended color, but it happened to be missing during this taping. But for real, how cute is this loom? It has everything you need to start weaving. So since I wasn't able to post a video the other week, I'm gonna post 2 this week. So I'll make sure to post again on Thursday. But the plan is to make weavings with this little loom. You can follow the process on Instagram at Fiber Art by Chels. Also over on TikTok or Facebook. Here's where I plan to utilize the scraps from my leftover projects. If you're just starting out, reach out to friends or fellow crafters who might have some scraps that they no longer need, because mixing and matching different textures of thickness of yarn can result in a unique and visually interesting weaving. So be sure to check back on Thursday to check out what I made. Bye!